As part of the new guidelines announced on Wednesday, 4 5-star hotels and 11 restaurants across Kigali have to ensure that tests must be taken within 7 days for visiting clients and every after 2 weeks for the staff members. Some of the hotels say that it may be difficult to implement these new measures. It is not going to be easy, because initially we would just check the temperatures for the clients as well as ensure that they have washed their hands. But now with these new measures, where we have to go get tested, it's going to take more time. The initial number of staff our restaurant had was 86, but due to the 30% COVID-19 measures, we're down to 24. Now imagine testing 24 members every day. Testing is not free, it costs money. We have already reduced the number of staff, and now these new measures have been introduced that clients need to present a negative COVID-19 form. On the other hand, Kigali Serena Hotel Human Resource Manager Eric Mugesera and Marriott Hotel General Manager Uli Franzman believe that they are ready to implement these regulations, but also express concern that clients may opt to go to establishments that do not require a COVID-19 test. In order to protect the lives of our visitors and those that work in the hotel, we think these new measures are very important to ensure quality service. There may be a decline in clients and an increase of our prices on our services because now we have to test our staff every 2 weeks. For business to continue, health comes first, and we have to ensure our staff members are all negative.
We might have some guests that will be surprised by it or will be upset, but we will follow the rules and we will clearly explain the rules. And unfortunately, we might lose some business that people might choose to go to other places where they don't have to show the test, and that is my only concern. But otherwise, we're in full support of it.
The Deputy CEO of the Rwanda Development Board says the list of hotels and restaurants will be revised. And besides the 15 selected establishments, other hotels and restaurants will be subject to randomized sampling testing for both the clients and the staff members.
The list is not static. We'll be updating it. We're starting with these 4 5-star hotels and the restaurants that we've mentioned. And again, we keep monitoring. And even for the hotels and restaurants which are not on this list, at the Rwanda Biomedical Center will be conducting random testing to monitor how the situation is. So even for the hotels that are not on this list, still they'll be subject to some random testing, which will also be informing the lists in terms of really either adding additional hotels or restaurants on this list that we are presenting today.
Over the last week, Rwanda witnessed a surge in daily COVID-19 cases following a month of relatively low numbers. As of Wednesday, June 16th, Rwanda had recorded 29,175 total cases, among which 376 patients have lost the battle. Gabi Movunyi for RTV.